You are about to make a choice that will completely redefine how you experience entertainment at home, or, if you aren't careful, you are about to waste hundreds of dollars on a piece of technology you don't actually need. The premium streaming market is a psychological battlefield. Every single tech giant wants a permanent residence inside your living room, right underneath your television. They want to control your screen, they want to track your data, and most importantly, they want to dictate how you consume media. For years, the undisputed heavyweight champion of luxury streaming has been the Apple TV 4K. It sits on its throne, draped in a sleek, matte black finish, carrying a price tag that makes the average consumer flinch. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. While you can easily walk into any local electronics store or browse online and pick up a streaming stick for the price of a casual dinner, Apple demands that you pay a massive premium. They look you dead in the eye and tell you that their little black box is worth 4, 5, or even 6 times what the competition is asking. And for a long time, millions of people around the world, especially across the United States, have willingly handed over their hard-earned cash. They swear by it. They say it ruined every other smart TV interface for them. They say once you go to Apple TV, you can never go back. But is that actually true? Or have we all just been collectively hypnotized by the most sophisticated marketing machine in human history? We live in a world dominated by algorithms, compression rates, and microstutters. Every time you fire up your favorite streaming app, a massive digital pipeline is working behind the scenes to push millions of pixels directly into your eyeballs. The average viewer looks at their screen and sees a movie. A true enthusiast looks at the screen and sees the subtle gradient of color, the depth of the shadows, the clarity of the dialogue, and the responsiveness of the interface. This is exactly where the Apple TV 4K claims to operate. It doesn't just want to stream a video, it wants to deliver the absolute definitive version of that video. It promises a level of visual and auditory perfection that cheaper devices simply cannot match. But let's be entirely honest with ourselves. The tech landscape has shifted dramatically over the past couple of years. The televisions we buy today are smarter, faster, and more capable than they have ever been. Your brand new smart TV likely came preloaded with every single streaming app you could ever want. It has a processor, it has a remote, and it connects to your Wi-Fi. So, the fundamental question we have to answer today is a brutal one. Why on earth should anyone in their right mind spend their money on an Apple TV 4K when their current television already does the exact same thing for free? To understand the magic and the absolute madness of the Apple TV 4K, we have to look past the shiny glass and the elegant aluminum of the Siri remote. We have to look at what happens the absolute second you press the power button. The single greatest pain point of modern home entertainment is the user interface. Think about the last time you used a built-in smart TV interface or a budget streaming stick. It is an exercise in pure frustration. You turn on the TV, and you are immediately bombarded with giant, intrusive banner advertisements for shows you have absolutely no interest in watching. The menus lag. You press a button on your remote, and there is an agonizing half-second delay before the cursor actually moves on the screen. The apps crash unexpectedly. The entire experience feels cheap, cluttered, and disrespectful of your time. This is the exact moment you realize what you are actually paying for when you buy an Apple TV 4K. Apple treats the television